time you sit in a car, there is high probability that the protective system of the car is basically made for the protection of the man's body. And the message is very concerning क्योंकि same accident के लिए a woman is having a higher risk to her life and chances of death than a man is. और ये इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि according to society women don't drive good. It's basically the bad design or the protective system of the cars favors a man's body. Every time जब कार के सिस्टम की टेस्टिंग होती है, the dummy which is used is an average male's dummy. मतलब 5'9" height average होता है उसका, and weight is mostly from 75 to 85 kg something. Plus the bodily structure, the muscular structure, neck का structure, legs, everything is according to a man's body. Therefore, default, a man's bodily structure is what people consider to be a default human being, or people just stress on those particular things and make the car safety system according to that, because of which एक फीमेल की सर्वाइवल चांसेस इन क्रैश में 45% ज़्यादा होती है मेल से, बिकॉज दे डू नॉट कंसिडर द pelvic structure, the neck strength, the sitting posture of a woman. That is completely ignored. So how can we come up and say that there is equality when basically the full system of the car to protect you from an accident is according to the proportion of a man's body, ना कि females के. If we start about stats as well, it has shown that same crash के लिए a female actually suffers more injuries and severe risk to death than a man does. Even इतना ही नहीं, according to the data found in various crashes of the car which have happened between the male and the female, this shows that females are more prone to injury जब head collisions होते हैं. And this is not because they are driving bad. It's basically because car to protecting system is made to optimize the male's biomechanics. कुछ companies बोलती है that they also try the safety system of the car on female dummies, but here's the catch. बस एक मेल डमी के बॉडी को छोटा कर देने से वो कोई फीमेल डमी नहीं बन जाती है. आप एक फीमेल बॉडी के स्ट्रक्चर को इग्नोर कर रहे हो, बेसिकली द पेल्विक पार्ट और द चेस्ट पार्ट. All of this really changes a human's bodily structures और वो कैसे क्रैश फोर्सेस को एब्जॉर्ब करती है, बिकॉज ऑफ विच जस्ट एक मेल डमी को छोटा बनाने देने से वो कोई फीमेल डमी नहीं बन जाता, बिकॉज स्ट्रक्चर इज नॉट सेम जैसे फीमेल डमीज का होता है, बिकॉज ऑफ विच a female body absorbs the forces of a crash in a different way, and that is hazardous to her health. So next time when someone comes up and says that feminism has reached too far or you don't need feminism, tell them that for decades the car protective system was just built around men, completely ignoring the structures of that of a female in order to protect them too. Only male dummies were used, none of them were female. So yeah, if something can be ignored so much that it could be hazardous to a person's life, we need feminism. And it's not only with the case of cars, it's even that how underfunded the medical problems of women are, like endometriosis, PCOS, PCODs. They are heavily underfunded and people don't even consider to talk about it. This is not even over here. Even the people who are given CPR trainings, the dummies used are only male ones. They don't include female dummies. And it's done very rarely, which makes it a higher chance for a woman to not survive if they need CPR in some case, because it won't work efficiently because the medical trainers are not trained on female dummies more than male ones are. And basically, it's almost none. Many of the dummies, almost all of them are male dummies. We all know it. How come only a man's body is considered to be a default human being's body and all the tests and safety procedures are done on them, to completely ignoring the bodily structures of that of a female by just reducing the same structure size does not make it a female dummy? Mind it.